Salut à tous les amis, alors aujourd'hui je suis en compagnie de Daniel et on va parler séduction. Hi Daniel.
Hi.
สวัสดีครับ
สวัสดีครับผม
How are you? สวัส
Yeah,
ดีครับ
good.
ผม
Fine.
Fine.
ดีมาก
Hein?
Yeah.
Dimat, c'est en Thaïlande on répond Dimat. Ok. We talk about seduction, on va parler de séduction. Are you single? Do you have a girlfriend?
Yeah, I'm single.
Oh,
No
you're single?
girlfriend,
Ok. Donc il est célibataire. I want to know here, is it possible to talk with if you want to have girlfriend or not?
Yeah.
Est-ce que c'est facile d'avoir une copine?
yeah. It's possible. It's possible.
Possible, but
yeah.
not easy or easy. Facile ou pas facile?
It's up to like which girl. But
Which girl,
but
okay.
but for foreigner,
Yeah?
it's more easy.
Ah, il dit que pour
Yeah.
les étrangers c'est plus facile. Why it's more easy for foreigners?
I don't know. I'm not sure. Maybe around Sukhumvit here, the girl.
Ah,
yeah.
maybe around here. Voilà. Il dit que dans les environs c'est plus facile pour les étrangers. So, what about? But there is some women they like only Thai people because they just speak Thai too, no?
Yeah.
Il y a certaines femmes qui ne sont intéressées que par les Thaïlandais, pas par les étrangers parce qu'elles ne maîtrisent pas forcément la langue, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Can you tell me how to do to have girlfriend? Est-ce que tu peux nous dire comment faire pour avoir une copine en Thaïlande? For serious relationship.
Just try to talk to her. See her. Just go to
Okay.
her,
So
yeah.
if you talk to her, what do you say? Qu'est-ce que tu vas lui dire?
It's like ask her for her name, something like that.
Okay.
Get to know her, then get her line.
So Thai people, Thai men do
Yeah.
like this.
Yeah, yeah.
Alors les Thaïlandais, les garçons, ils font ça en fait pour approcher les dames.
Yeah.
So when you go to ask woman her name, she's okay to talk with you. Est-ce qu'elle est d'accord de discuter avec toi in the street?
Yeah.
Normally, it's okay.
Normally it's okay.
Yeah, they don't say no, I don't have time. Elle dit pas,
if
elle
they're
refoule pas.
in rush, they need to say something like that. But if they're just walking around, it's okay.
You can talk normally.
Yeah.
Voilà. In France, not all the time. En France, pas tous les jours. So, you take her phone number. Tu prends son numéro de téléphone. Yes.
Yeah, something like that.
Line?
Like a line, Facebook, Instagram.
Facebook, tu prends le line, c'est comme WhatsApp. And after, what do you do? Qu'est-ce que tu fais après?
Talk with her,
How long?
send a
for
message
example?
like 1 week.
Une semaine de discussion.
Yeah, met her again.
Okay. And then when you meet, what do you do?
Go to movie.
Movie, cinéma.
Yeah.
Voilà. Donc ils font un cinéma, ça change pas trop de l'Europe.
And
Cinema.
Cinema. We have a dinner, something like that.
Dinner. Oh, street food or restaurant? Ils vont dîner aussi.
It's sometimes street food, sometimes restaurant. It's okay.
Really?
Yes, same.
What do you like? Toi, qu'est-ce que tu
Better
préfères?
street food.
Street food?
Yeah, better.
Why? Pourquoi? Lui, il préfère les dates street food. So you like street food date?
Yeah, street
Why?
food.
Can you tell me why?
I'm not sure, but it's better.
Better. Aloy
Yeah.
Mat.
Yeah, it's better.
And you looking for long or short relationship? Est-ce que tu recherches une relation durable ou à court terme?
Actually, I'm looking for long.
Long term.
Yeah, long
Okay.
term. It's okay. But it's
Long term.
better.
Huh?
Long term is better.
Voilà, il cherche une relation à long terme. And so you want to marry?
Yeah, in the future.
In the future?
I want to marry.
Okay.
Have
With a
kids.
Thai woman or a foreigner? Est-ce qu'il veut se marier avec une étrangère ou une Thaïlandaise?
Maybe Thai woman. I
Thai
don't
woman?
know. Yeah.
Okay. You don't like European women?
I
Est-ce que
like
t'aimes pas
them,
les
yeah,
étrangères?
but-
You like?
Yeah, I like it, but I don't have a chance yet.
Ah, tu mean, ok. Voilà, il n'a pas eu la chance de rencontrer ici, mais il aime bien. So Thai men, they like foreigner women or not?
I think they like.
Really?
Yeah.
Or they like more Korean? Est-ce que je lui demande, est-ce que les garçons thaïs, les hommes thaïs préfèrent plus les européennes ou les coréennes, les japonaises? You like more Japanese Korean or European?
Man, for me, it's the same.
It's the same?
Yeah, I like it the same.
Voilà. Okay, it's the same.
Yeah.
So it's same, okay. Maybe,
Yeah, but some prefer Japan, some prefer European.
and you is the same?
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
the
you
same.
don't make difference.
All women
It's
is the
good.
same.
Pour lui, c'est pareil. What is your type of woman? Type of woman.
Oh.
Physique and inside. What's your type? No. Nice.
Yeah, outside and inside is better. But
Okay. Inside important
Yeah.
or outside more? Le physique est plus important ou l'intérieur plus
I
important?
think inside is more.
More important, voilà.
Yeah.
L'intérieur plus important. Why?
But outside is also important.
So what is your type of woman? Quel est ton type de femme?
I like a woman like a smile, sometimes smile.
joli
Sometimes her
sourire.
eyes, something like yeah.
Her eyes.
Yeah.
Ah, ok, voilà.
Sometimes when
Un joli
she
regard.
stares you, it's
Really.
yeah, it's make you happy.
So sometimes, j'aimerais bien lui demander est-ce qu'il se fait aborder par des femmes parfois. Sometimes women come talk with you, like interested. Hey, do you have Facebook or something?
Sometimes, just sometimes, not often.
Sometimes, not
Yeah.
often. Why not often? Huh?
I'm not very handsome.
Oh, you're handsome. You're handsome. I think it's about maybe Thai culture.
yeah, yeah,
Men
yeah.
need to go.
Yeah,
Ouais.
something like
C'est
that.
plus les hommes qui abordent
It's
les femmes
very- it's
de
very
par la
few
culture, je pense.
Maybe it's not often women come, but for a lady boy, gay, something like that. Yeah, they come
D'accord.
often.
Donc il me dit qu'il se fait pas souvent aborder par des femmes, mais il y a pas mal de gays ou de ladyboys qui l'abordent,
Yeah, but
qui sont attirés par lui.
But it's okay.
Yeah, it's okay.
Just friend with them. It's okay.
Voilà, et aucun problème pour être amis, pour nouer des liens d'amitié. It's easy to marry in Thailand. Est-ce que c'est facile de se marier ici en Thaïlande ou pas? It's easy to marry or not?
It's not easy, but if you make her pregnant, yeah, it's easy now.
Oh,
Yeah.
il a dit que si tu mets
Yeah.
une femme enceinte, c'est facile de se marier, mais sinon c'est pas facile. Why it's not easy? Pourquoi c'est pas facile?
It's like Thai woman need a very long term to make sure, and after get married. Yeah.
Voilà, il me dit que les femmes espèrent des relations longues pour être sûres de l'homme. And what about family too? You need to convince family?
Yeah, also.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Family
But-
more
but-
important?
But not every family.
Voilà. Donc il faut aussi passer par la famille, donc à convaincre, mais pas tout le temps. Ok. So you have to pay money when you marry a woman?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
On va lui demander s'il parle français. So Daniel, do you speak French?
No,
A little bit?
no, no.
Nothing.
Nothing.
Sawadika? Non.
Bonjour.
Bonjour, you speak French. Il parle français.
Only one
Yeah.
word like
Voilà,
that.
vous savez, la plupart des Thaïlandais connaissent au moins un bonjour quand même. Merci, thank you, non? Thank you.
Yeah, yeah.
Merci, ils connaissaient aussi. And can you repeat after me? Abonnez-vous.
Bollywood.
Abonnez-vous.
Bollywood.
Subscribe to my channel.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Voilà,
Subscribe to his channel.
voilà, il vous le dit, les amis Daniel. Thank you very much, Daniel, for
Yeah.
interview. Kapun Makap.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye. Ciao, ciao.